We're back. And why am I doing this? Because it's cold. I'm trying to be warm. We apologize. I've been gone for a little bit, but hey, you tuning back into Shaw Meadows. Why have I been gone? There was a little bit of sicknesses, and but everybody's better, and some Hanukkah. So I was going to get it out. I was just watching my breath. And if you don't know, we don't celebrate the Christmas thing. We celebrate Hanukkah. So I know it's a little late, belated, but happy Hanukkah, Chag Sameach to you out there. Yeah, we're back here again. And if somehow, some weird way, I end up having more clothes on, you know why, it's cold. So yeah, I got more hair. Let's get to work. The ladder's cold.
That's why you're screaming?
Yeah.
Stop!
Oh.
You're gonna hit your head up against the glass.
I stepped on ice.
No, you didn't.
Ice, baby.
Wait! You gotta eat your nail gun.
If I get chapped lips, being out in this cold, we're gonna have a problem. I'm gonna have chapped lips. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna have dry lips. My nostrils are already running. I can smell the mucus. We've had neighbors the whole time. What are you talking about? It felt like ice.
Sorry.
If I get pneumonia,
You're not gonna.
it's your fault.
Not. Hooray! Front neighbor. All right.
And that is how you get warm.
I think it is colder in here than it is out there. Honestly.
Go ahead and do a trash bags. Still got caulking and painting to do in here. I wanted to thank y'all for coming back and watching us again. Don't forget to join the family. Like, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell. And that might be a change in our schedule. Shalom, y'all.